Welcome back to Cyber AI Pros, your trusted source for all things cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. Today, we're exploring an exciting and positive development: how artificial intelligence is helping to protect and preserve our environment. From monitoring wildlife to combating climate change, AI is playing a pivotal role in safeguarding our planet. So let's dive right in. AI is making significant strides in wildlife conservation. Smart drones and camera traps powered by AI are monitoring wildlife populations in real time. They can detect poachers and alert authorities immediately, helping to prevent illegal activities before they happen. Additionally, AI helps researchers analyze animal behavior and migration patterns, contributing to better conservation strategies. It's incredible how AI is giving a voice to those who can't speak for themselves. Climate change is one of the biggest challenges we face today. AI is revolutionizing how we understand and combat it. By processing vast amounts of climate data, AI algorithms can predict weather patterns, natural disasters, and the impacts of global warming more accurately than ever before. This helps policymakers make informed decisions to protect vulnerable communities and implement effective environmental policies. AI is like having a crystal ball powered by data. Agriculture is being transformed by AI. Smart farming techniques use AI to monitor soil health, optimize irrigation, and manage crop diseases. This leads to higher yields with less resource waste. For example, AI-powered sensors determine exactly how much water and nutrients each plant needs, reducing overuse and preserving precious resources. Feeding the world while saving the planet, that's a win-win. Energy consumption is a major contributor to environmental degradation. AI helps optimize energy use through smart grids that balance supply and demand efficiently. In our homes, AI systems manage heating, cooling, and lighting to reduce energy waste. On a larger scale, AI integrates renewable energy sources into the grid more effectively. Imagine a future where blackouts are a thing of the past, and clean energy powers our lives seamlessly. AI is also helping to clean up our ocean. Autonomous robots powered by AI can identify and collect plastic waste from water bodies. In waste management, AI improves recycling processes by accurately sorting materials, reducing contamination and increasing recycling rates. Turning the tide on pollution with the help of intelligent machines, that's something to celebrate. Air pollution is a significant health hazard. AI is tackling this by combining advanced sensors with analytics to monitor air quality in real time. It identifies pollution sources and predicts hazardous conditions. This information helps cities implement strategies to reduce emissions and keep the air clean for everyone. Breathe easy knowing AI is on the job. AI is proving to be an invaluable ally in the fight to protect our environment. From conserving wildlife to promoting sustainable living, the possibilities are endless and exciting. What aspect of AI and environmental conservation inspires you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, Cyber AI Pros is your home for the latest in cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. Make sure to come back to our channel so you're always ahead of the curve. Stay curious, stay green, and stay secure. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video.